Here we're looking north at the collapsed adit for the Rob Roy or Dice or Liberty Bell mine. I don't know which one it is. There's probably names at various claims. We're looking, again, like I said, right at the collapsed adit of it. It's EC0121. It's all brushed in, real lush growth right here. There is a very minor seep of water coming out, but not enough to sample. It's not really moving water, and you can't hardly see it seeping out of there at all, so no water samples will be taken. It's caved back it's about 20 feet back to where the high wall is up there, and then just forms a trough out to right to the edge of the hill here. So we'll turn around and look at what the dump looks like now and get a feel for how big it is. Here we're looking east along the dump of the Rob Roy. You can see it's kind of a small flat area, but it's on such a steep slope that the dump goes out and just bails right off the side of the hill fairly rapidly and goes right on down to Crystal Lake, which is right below us to the south. We're just on the slope just above the Crystal Lake. The dump, it doesn't amount to much. It's fairly small and is spread out quite a ways downhill. There's a wheelbarrow down at the bottom of the dump itself, clear down, getting close to the lake. We'll take a look at from the portal shooting straight out to the south and see what it looks like. Here we're just right at the portal of the Rob Roy, looking south. There's a car body, or most of a car body, and an engine right at the lip of the dump before it bails off the side and goes on down, just dribbles down the hill down towards Crystal Lake. Again, that's Crystal Lake in the background there. Kind of a small flat spot up here, that working platform for where the portal comes out on it, but not a whole lot to see here. There's a pipe coming out of the mine, a little air pipe, I assume, 1.5-inch pipe that's coming right out of the cave in there. So this will be it for the Rob Roy mine, EC0121. One more note on the Rob Roy EC0121. We're looking back up the hill. We're just to the east of the dump. We're looking basically west here now. There's that car body that's hanging over the lip of the dump. You can see the dump coming down the slope. It's very, very steep slope, and it just dribbles down. It's smeared out probably over 100 yards down. The trail to get up here that we walked along is right at the base of that snag right there, and the dump continues on across the trail and on down. There's a wheelbarrow down at the far end of the dump, but this is just to give you an idea of the extent of the dump going down dribbling down the hill here. So this will be it for EC0121, the Rob Roy mine.